one simple shift that saved my sanity and my parenting. I used to completely lose it. The whining, the back talk, the endless why, the sibling fights, all of it. It would build me up until I would snap. Yelling, guilt, and then more yelling. I felt like a failure as a mom. I was ruining them and me. But here's the truth. You don't have to react from overwhelm. You can stay calm, connected, and in control, even when they're pushing every single button. Today, I'm sharing the exact shift that changed everything for me, plus 2 more tools to keep you cool in the chaos. These aren't fluffy tips. They're battle-tested in my real, messy mom life. So let's get to it. The simple shift. Pause and breathe. This is your mom reset button. First, the game changer. When you feel the heat rising, your heart racing, your jaw clenching, pause for 10 seconds and take 3 deep breaths. In through your nose for 4 counts, and then hold it for 4, and then out of your mouth for 4. That's it. In the heat of the moment, your brain goes into fight or flight. This simple breath resets your nervous system, giving you space to respond instead of just react. I call it my mom reset button. Before, I'd scream over spilled milk. After, I can say, whoa, that's a big spill. Let's clean it up together. Try it today. Your next meltdown, pause and breathe. Watch how it changes everything. There was this one morning, the kids were fighting over breakfast. I'm late for a call, coffee spills everywhere. I was about to explode. Then I paused, I breathed, and then instead of yelling, I said, okay, everybody, let's take a breath. We all did it. Everybody did it together. And then laughter broke out and the problem was solved. That one shift saved our day and my relationship with them. Name the emotion. Kids don't have the words for the big feelings yet. And honestly, neither do we sometimes. When buttons are pushed, name it out loud. I feel frustrated right now because the room is a mess. Or to them, you seem really angry. Is that what's going on? Naming emotions reduces their power. It teaches emotional intelligence for you and your kids and creates connection instead of conflict. It models healthy regulation for them. I started doing this during tantrums. I see you're upset because you wanted the blue cup. It's okay to feel mad. Suddenly, they calm down faster and I stay steady. When our kids were little, we had a emotions chart up on the fridge because again, most kids don't know how to name their emotion. And so when they seemed frustrated or angry, we'd go to the emotion wheel and point. Is this what you're feeling? It was easy for them to look at the wheel and say, no, that's not how I'm feeling. I'm feeling this. I'm able to get to the root feeling of what they were experiencing in that moment. It was such a game changer for us to just be able to help name that emotion. Tool 3, set your non-negotiable boundaries ahead of time. Prevention is your best friend. Before the chaos hits, decide your 3 non-negotiables. I will not yell. I will walk away if I need. I will connect before I correct. Hugs first, then talk. I will apologize if I mess up because we all do. Write them on your mirror and review them daily. Why it works. Boundaries protect your peace and teach your kids respect. No more reactive regrets, just consistent, loving leadership. No screens before dinner, bedtime prayers together, and yes to their feelings, but no to disrespect. Those are mine. It's not perfect, but it keeps me regulated and our home thriving. Mama, you're not failing. You're just human. These tools aren't about being a perfect parent. They're about being a parent that's present. Start with the breath today. Add naming emotions tomorrow and set your boundaries this weekend. You'll feel and see the differences: calmer days, closer connections, and kids who learn how to self-regulate too. And here's the secret: when you're emotionally steady, you can parent from a place of love, not stress. And this is where the magic happens. If you've ever felt like you're one button push away from losing it, just know this: you've got this. God gave you these little humans because He trusts you with them. Lean on Him for strength and these tools for strategy. You're building a legacy of emotional health for your family, and I'm really proud of you. All right, comment below what's one button your kids push that sends you over the edge. Let's support each other, and I'll reply with a quick tip. If this helps, hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss out our next video about helping your daughter build confidence that lasts. If you need personalized help with this or anything else, burnout, business, faith, my half-price Clarity Hour spots are still open this week. Okay, send me a DM. I'd love to help you out. Let's get you regulated and thriving. You are an amazing mom. Keep going, and I'll see you in the comments.